What's the meaning of award-winning? Award-winning. Award-winning.
Award-winning. Award-winning. The term award-winning refers to an individual, product, service, or organization that has received recognition for its outstanding achievements or contributions in a particular field. Typically, the award denotes that the recipient has demonstrated exceptional skill, talent, innovation, or achievement in their area of expertise, and has been recognized by their peers, industry experts, or consumers. Winning an award can be a significant achievement, as it can bring attention, prestige, and credibility to an individual or organization. Additionally, it may serve as a validation of their hard work and dedication to their craft, leading to future opportunities and success.